Hi guys, guess what this is? This is a portion of exercise bike, and this part, as you can see, had broken off, so I wanted something to cover it up. And what I did was I took an image of this, after which I inserted this image onto Google's drawing, and from there I traced out the outline, which is what you see over here. I then save this file as a Scalable Vector Graphics. From there, I open up 3D modeling software, Autodesk 123D design, and imported that .svg file, and I extruded the part, did some further editing, sliced the part on the CURA, which is spelled as CURA. And there we have, it's printing now. Looks good, right? You bet.